Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a new feature in version 4.4 of the Israel Railway Simulator. Now we have something called cold start, which allows you to start the locomotive with the engine turned off. I mean, start the sim with the engine turned off, and you need to start the locomotive. How do we do that? Let's show. We'll choose a random route. Here we have lock everything. Quiet, engine off. So what we need to do, need to go first electrical cabinet, you fuse and switch, knife switch, you turn on the electricity to all the lights and everything. Now we'll go back and go to engine room, starting controls, fuel prime. This will run the fuel pump that will bring enough fuel to the engine to start it. Once we're done at 100%, we'll press engine start to fire up the locomotive. But this won't do it on its own. We need to press K to push the fuel lay shaft to increase the amount of fuel going into the engine. We'll do it in about 6 seconds when it stops revving, actually revving. And only that way it will reach a steady RPM that will actually allow it to start. Now we'll go back. Now if there are several ways starting can fail. If you press engine start for more than 20 seconds or consecutively more than twice for more than 2 seconds, the starting fuse will blow, and then you go electrical cabinet, fuse and switches, test starting switches, and if it says burned, you click replace starting fuse. If you rev up the engine too much, above the throttle 8 RPM, you click safety devices, reset overspeed, because it will shut down, because the engine overspeeds and then it will shut down. So we'll actually start the engine now. Engine start, 6 seconds, it starts revving, we press K. And then we bring it to a safe speed, no, we hold K, and then we bring it to a safe speed, and we can basically keep the engine, the engine will run. That's it. Now that the engine is all fired up, we can click run, press the left button, and the compressed air will start rising. This will take a while to reach the pressure of 10 bars. So we're going to stuff we can do also. Shift W, reverser, shift left square bracket, direct brake, shift E, service switch key, lights, generator field, even more lights, and we'll just wait for the compressor to build up to 10 bars. The compressor is tied to the engine, but if we left the engine beyond notch 2, which is what it is left at right now because of the low air pressure sensor, it will put oil and water in the compressed air system, not healthy. So it's the best option is to wait. Once the system is fully pressurized, we will basically set up the brakes. Alright, we reached 10 bars. Now we have all the air we need for the brakes. We can start. Right bracket, apply direct brakes. R, put service switch in 1. It will basically rise the equalizing reservoir and brake 5 to 3 bars. Now press left click on this switch to release the parking brakes. The parking brake cylinders will take about 15 seconds to fill, and then this light will turn off, indicating that they are released. In the meantime, we'll release the train brakes. See, equalizing reservoir reaches 5, brake pipe slowly creeps up because we have 6 cars behind us, parking brakes are already fully released. Now the air brake is fully released, so reversal W forward, inducing is set by default to freight, we press the red button to move to passenger, and we are ready to go. We can press enter to move the time forward to departure, and go. So that's it for this video. We hope you will enjoy firing up the engine. Thank you.